Imagine this. You wake up at 5 a.m. No alarm, no chaos. Your room feels calm, your mind feels sharp, and for the first time, you know exactly what you need to do and why it matters. You move through your day with quiet power, not chasing dopamine, but becoming dangerous in the slowest, most peaceful way possible. Sounds unreal? It's not magic. It's Japanese wisdom. Simple ideas that turn ordinary people into clear-minded, consistent, unstoppable creators of greatness. Before we continue, ask yourself, if you woke up tomorrow with total clarity and zero confusion, how different would your life look? If you're ready to build that version of yourself, hit subscribe now, because what comes next isn't motivation, it's transformation. Japan mastered 3 principles that create long-term growth, inner peace, and unshakable progress: Kaizen, Ikigai, and Shoshin. You don't need more hacks. You need this system. 1. Kaizen. The power of 1% progress. Kaizen means good change, but in practice, it's the art of micro-mastery. Not perfection, not intensity, just tiny actions repeated until they become unbreakable identity. Instead of reading 3 chapters, read 1 page a day. Instead of a 30-minute meditation, start with 30 seconds. Instead of going beast mode at the gym for a week and quitting, do 5 push-ups every day for 21 days. Why does this work? Because your brain fears big change, but accepts tiny ones. Small steps lower resistance, kill fear of failure, and slowly create the identity of someone who shows up every day. Real power isn't dramatic. It's boring repetition that transforms you quietly. 2. Ikigai. The reason you exist. Ikigai isn't a cute diagram. It's the cure for modern emptiness. Most people wake up, eat, work, scroll, sleep, and repeat. No direction, no fire, no meaning. Ikigai simply asks, what is the why that makes you forget the how? It sits at the intersection of what you love, what you're good at, what the world needs, what you can be paid for. But here's the truth. You don't find Ikigai by thinking. You build it by exploring. Ask yourself, what makes me lose track of time? Ask friends, what am I naturally good at? Experiment. Try things. Fail. Start again. Don't chase passion. Chase curiosity. It will eventually lead you to purpose. Even a small hint of Ikigai makes waking up exciting again. 3. Shoshin. The beginner's mind. Here's the trap. You improve. You get smarter. You get stronger. Then you get arrogant. And that's when growth dies. Shoshin destroys this. In the beginner's mind, possibilities are infinite. In the expert's mind, they shrink. How to live with Shoshin. Before studying, whisper, I might be wrong. When someone disagrees, don't defend. Ask, what do you mean? Write down 1 thing you learned and 1 thing you unlearned each day. Ego kills growth. Shoshin kills ego. You don't need motivation. You need direction, identity, and philosophy. Japan already built the map. Now it's yours. If one of these principles hit your soul, comment the emoji that matches your path. For Kaizen, for Ikigai, for Shoshin. And if this brought you even 1% more clarity, like the video, subscribe and share it with someone who needs calm, purpose, and progress. Because one day they'll ask you, how did you become so unstoppable? And you'll smile, because you built it.